Hey there. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to switch back to a personal Instagram account from a business account with the latest updates. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Launch the app by tapping on its icon. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these lines to access the menu. Step 4. Scroll down the menu and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the settings, you'll find an option called Business Tool and Control. Tap on it to access your business account settings. Step 6. In the Business Tool and Control section, you'll find the option Switch Accounts Type. Tap on it to proceed. Step 7. Now, tap on Switch to Personal Account. This will initiate the process of switching your account type from business to personal. Step 8. To confirm your step, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts may include additional confirmation steps or notifications. That's it. You have successfully switched back to a personal Instagram account from a business account. Enjoy using Instagram in a more personal capacity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.